you get a quick taste for the sound. I'm just going to hop right on in here. On the odometer we have about 2,700 miles, and she's still sounding amazing. .455 horsepower, 450 foot-pounds of torque, and a ton of settings on this thing. Just gonna move over here real quick. You can adjust driving modes from here. Stealth, Tour, Sport, and Track. You can also adjust the steering. Tour, Sport, and Track. I have everything set to the mode select. Suspension, Tour, Sport, Track. Again, I have everything set so that when I change it here, it automatically changes up here. So there's the S. I'll zoom in on the S. As soon as I move it up, it goes to Tour. Exhaust quiets down. Back down to Sport, gets louder. One more down is Track. And one more down is Snow and Ice mode. Also quiets down. So that's a great feature right there. I could do it from there, here, and then you have all these other comfort and convenience settings: chime volume, lighting, exit lighting, power door locks. And then the infotainment system's got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, audio controls, and then you got your climate, auto defog, auto rear defog, auto fan speed. Pretty cool. And then you got your system with your Wi-Fi, privacy, etc. And then you got your audio here, where you can adjust your stations. All the controls around it: 4G, temperature, time, great setup. And then at the top you've got your OnStar lights, mirror. This doesn't have the backup mirror. And then on the dash you have all your menus. So you got your timer, tire pressure gauge, oil life, fuel range, fuel economy, trip A and B, and then you got your menus here: performance, music, nav, phone, and some other options here. Launch control. If you go back, you can always change actually also have the ability to change the look of the screen. So if you go down here to options, display theme, click on that. And you got standard and technology. So this is what your technology theme looks like. A little different. If you wanted to go back to the other one, you just scroll back down and click standard. So real cool. These are some of the features I wanted to show you guys, along with the sound of this thing. I'll give you one more quick absolutely an enjoyment every time. And of course, zooming out, you've got the wheel with all the functions on it. SS badging here. You got your favorites here, volume control, and cruise control settings here. Vents. That's the 10 speed right there. Passenger side. So real nice interior. I'm going to shut it down now. Just wanted to give you guys a quick taste today. I hope everyone has a great evening. If you're thinking about the Camaro, this one here is the one to go for. Great car, lots of power, and an absolute joy every single time you start it up. Have a great evening, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Really appreciate the support. More to come.